Hello my friends, welcome to my first tutorial in English. It's the first because I'm German and yeah, I think it's better for my channel to have my tutorials in two languages. And yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can use your PS3 controller on your PC. All you need for this is your PS3 controller, the USB charging cable and the Motion Enjoy gamepad tool. Yeah, the Motion Enjoy gamepad tool can you download on motionenjoy.com/download, and you have to download the version 0.6.0005 or no, 4. Yeah, 4 is the right version, and then you have to download the right version for your operating system. It's an 32-bit version and 64-bit version. You can look it up if you go on your home button and then on your computer and right click on properties, and then you can see your system type here. My version is 64-bit, and then I download it here. If you have downloaded, you can install your controller. You have only to plug it into your computer and have to wait until the drivers are fully installed by the Windows updates. When it's done, install the Motion Enjoy gamepad tool. If you have installed it, you get this nice gamepad icon, the DS3 tool. Click on it and you get this window, this nice green window. Yeah, and then go to Driver Manager, and now you can see your controller here. For the first time it must be unchecked here. You have to set the check mark here and click Load Driver, and then it's right. Then go back to Profiles, and yeah, select the mode of your controller. You can choose between PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, PlayStation 2 again, PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360, and a fully customizable Motion Enjoy profile. You have to choose PlayStation 3 and then click on Enabled. If you have done this right, you can use your controller on your PC now for every game you want, and you can configure your controller however you want. Yeah, I hope my tutorial helped you out with some problems, or yeah, with this. If you liked it, you can like it, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you think my English was terrible on this, dislike it, please. Yeah. See you later. Bye bye.